Okay, my hope is this, that you can look at this over here. I would, basically just clear the fraction, you know, combine like terms, yada, yada, yada. Maybe I should go through that. And what would you get? Let's write this down. The LCD is going to be x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Well, let's just go through that. And I'm not going to say quickly, but we'll go through it. What do you get over here? X plus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3. The next term is going to be x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3. The next term is going to be x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 2. And what's this going to be equal to? 3, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. I do want to point out something I'm looking at. It's going to be a cubic on both sides. But what I do know is the cubic is going to disappear. Because what are we going to get? On the left side, we would certainly see 3x cubed. And on the right side, we'd certainly see 3x cubed. So I'm going to say they would disappear. So I'm pretty comfortable that this thing's going to result in a pretty simple quadratic. All right? So I want to point out, I'm not going to continue that, but you should be able to get this one over here. Now, as I always say, I'm always interested in factoring, but this one over here, I want to be honest with you, I'm not going to be able to get it. So I say the only choice for 3x squared would be 3x and x. Now 9, I could do 3 and 3, or 9 and 1. There's no way I'm going to get 11 in the middle. So that would be a dead end, and you'd realize that quite quickly, by the way. So then you'd have no choice but to go to the quadratic formula. So I'm going to erase this over here. This is just the work that you would need to do on your own. And again, my hope is when you do that, you're going to get what we say you're going to get, which is this over here. All right? Now, once I get there, I got to use the quadratic formula. And that's going to be x equals, I'm going to write it down for you. And the a is clearly 3, the b is minus 11, and the c is 9. So I like to do it in order. So 2 times 3 is 6 on the bottom. And then you're going to get the opposite of b, which is 11, plus or minus. And that's how we say this is where the trouble begins. It's going to be b squared, which is 121, minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 9. Let's do the arithmetic. 11 plus or minus. I'm going to 6 on the bottom. And let's see, 4 times 3 is 12. And that's going to give you 90 and 18, 108. And 121 minus 108 is going to give me 13. There's not much you can do about that. That's my answer. All right, by the way, bad answers would have been 3, 2, and 1. And this is certainly not those. So I'm pretty comfortable this is good. What are your struggles? I'd say the biggest struggle in this problem over here is to get the standard form. That's your biggest struggle. Thank you.